Hello there, it's Christian at Grantham's in Retford. So today I'm going to be showing you a 2023 Weinsberg Caraone 400 LK with a double bunk setup. So we're going to start off by taking a look on the outside of the caravan. So at the front here, you've got your Alco stabilizer and your hitch. You've got your breakaway cable, jockey wheel, 13-pin continental socket, and your handbrake. Now, nice long A-frame on the Weinsberg. It's a German-built caravan. So built for the UK market, the door is on the UK side. So the A-frame certainly helps with stability, but it's also so you can put a bike rack on the front here as well. Now, really big gas locker at the front. What I'll do is I'll get that open. You can have a look what goodies come with the caravan. So I'll lift that up now. There we go. So you've got your bulkhead regulator there and space for 2 gas bottles. You've already got your gas pigtail on there, and it also comes with a leg winder. You've got an alloy spare wheel, which is handy to have, nice and easy to get to as well. Got some chocks and also a grey water tank. But yeah, no trouble keeping that gas locker lid up as well. So just above the gas locker here, you've got the one-piece window. We'll get round to the near side now and we can have a good look. So there is a service door on this caravan that will take you under one of the front seats of the caravan. You've got your lounge window just there, kitchen window next to that, and then some fridge fence down below. So you've got a bit of rail here just above the wheel arch, and that is for a wheel arch cover for an awning, and there is an awning rail that does go around the whole near side of the caravan. Alloy wheels on both sides, and then you've got a one-piece door with an LED awning light just up above. So with this one, with the double bunks at the back, we fitted the garage option. So you, when you open that door and you've got the bottom bunk lifted up, you can essentially put some push bikes in there. So coming round to the back of the caravan now, never normally too much to say. You've got your bunk windows just there, and you've also got your lights. A little bit mucky at the back. It is due a bit of a wash on the outside. But as you can see there, winner of the Caravan Awards for 2023 for the best 4-berth caravan. So with regards to construction, build quality and value, you really can't get better for your money. So we'll come round to the offside now. You've got a frosted window there, and that's because your wet room's just in there. Down below, you've got the Dometic toilet cassette, so there's no separate fill for your flush. Reason for that is because there is an onboard water tank on this caravan, and it will take the water directly from that onboard tank to flush the loo. So here's your input for your mains power just in here, and then you've got the inlet for your water just there. So one of the popular things that we fit on these Weinsbergs is an external water pump, and we can pop a little 12-volt socket next to that cap. So if you do have an aqua roll or a water barrel, you can pop it on the outside and draw the water in, as you may need on many of the UK sites. But that brings us back round to the front, and next we'll take a good look inside. So on the inside of the door here, you've got a couple of coat hangers just up there, and there is fly screens fitted to all of the Weinsberg range. So as you walk in, you're going to be greeted with the bunks on your right hand side. So you've got those fixed ladders, nice comfy memory foam mattresses, and there is also a light for each bunk. Really good width on these, nothing that you would see on a UK manufactured caravan. Fantastic width on the beds and a good bit of space. It takes the whole width of the caravan itself, so you get a really nice sized bed. So there is curtains, rails and curtain tiebacks, so there is a bit of privacy for anybody sleeping in the bunks. But coming back to what I was saying there about the garage, I can simply lift up this bed and it will clip on as well to the top, but you've got all that storage space down there. So fly screens and blackout blinds with small tabbards fitted to all of the windows, apart from the kitchen where you won't find the tabbards. So we'll have a look at the kitchen space now. A good bit of counter space, a good sized sink, mixer tap, and then we've also got 3 gas burners here as well. Splashback just there, and then you've got your kitchen window, and there is a handy plug socket for the kitchen up there, light switch, and some storage space up above with a couple of LED lights up above that as well. So down below here, we've got a drawer just there, and you've got a gas oven below that and another bit of storage space below, and then a 3-way fridge to the right hand side. So that'll work on gas, it'll also work on mains for you. So quite a unique upholstery scheme in this one. This has got this Szechuan upholstery in there. So what we're looking at is beiges, and I don't know, it's like a really sort of dark blue, I'd say. Really hard wearing, which is great for sort of longevity. I think that when people think about these Caraone or Weinsberg Rangers, they think of a caravan that they can essentially have for life. So a good bit of lighting all around the front. We're talking about a small compact caravan here. It's only 5.93 meters in length. Great for fitting on driveways and storing away. Lots of space there up above as well. And to talk about the weight of the caravan, it only weighs 1,200 kilograms. That's fully laden. So it's great for cars that can't necessarily tow massive weights. And I know that people are worried these days with caravans going electric, with cars, sorry, going electric and hybrid. It sort of opens up a few opportunities for you on what caravan you can have. So what we have here is a water heater that works on electric, and we have a Truma sort of heating system that works on gas, and that ultimately saves on cost, space, and basically just keeps things nice and simple in the Weinsberg range. But really, everything that you need to get going caravanning. Now, up here, got some shelf space. There is also another plug socket up there. And then to my right-hand side, there is a plug socket and a light switch for the living space here. And then that is the switch for the water heater. Another curtain just here for privacy, and that will tie back just between the kitchen window and the living space window. And this will then obviously set up into a double bed. So just to the right of me now, I'm completely opposite the kitchen. You've got your gas fire just down there. There is also a 12 volt sort of blown air heating system that will make its way around the caravan. That's a little gap piece for the front double bed, but a nice big wardrobe as well. So to the right of that, lastly but not least, you've got the wet room. So again, this caravan being nice and compact, but they still managed to fit all the amenities that you need inside the caravan. So you've got your sink there, some storage space just to the just below that. To the right of that, you've got your switch there for the electric flush. It'll also tell you when that cassette's full, which is always really handy, and it'll tell you about the onboard tank of the caravan as well. Some storage space there just up above with some lighting, and there is a really handy rail here. We know what the weather's like in the UK. If you've got any wet jackets or anything, you can just essentially hang it over the shower tray and you're not getting the inside of your caravan wet. So this tap here also works as your shower head, so you will essentially just pop that up there if you're having a shower in the caravan. There is a curtain there as well just to stop the toilet and your loo roll from getting wet while you are having a shower. So there we have it. That's the 2023 Weinsberg Caraone 400 LK with the double bunk option. Like I said, winner of the Caravan Awards 2023 for the best four-berth caravan. Can't do much better with regards to value for money, how lightweight it is, the fantastic construction that these vehicles really do have. If you've got any questions at all, please get in touch with us at Granthams. You can call the Retford site on 01777 838 193. Alternatively, pop us an email. My email address is christian.pearson@granthamcaravans.co.uk, or come on in. We're open 7 days a week, Monday to Saturday 9 till 5, and then on Sunday 10 till 4. But thank you very much for watching.